Hey guys, this is Jacob with Triple J Roofing. We're on Mr. Peerani's roof today. We are going to attempt to repair one of these shingles that's paid for by the insurance company. This roof is super brittle, the granules are gone. There's a lot of fiberglass showing. They've just reached the end of their life. So I don't think going into this that the repair will be feasible, but yeah, we'll figure out where this shingle starts and ends. I'll be recording the whole time on my meta glasses. They record in 2-minute increments, so when it stops, I freeze, start it again, so nothing's missed in between. We've got the flat bar here to unadhere the shingles. We're going to unadhere from the top to the bottom once we locate where the shingle is. It's because when you lay shingles, you go from the bottom up, so we just we reversed that process. I found that's the most efficient way to remove shingles without damaging the adjacent ones. We have this roof snake to get a little bit of leverage to get the nails out. You're not really supposed to use these things on 3-tab shingles when it comes to nailing in, so I will be lifting it up, trying to keep the shingles below a 45-degree angle, using my mag hatch, going back in with some new nails. Okay, so stay tuned. If you look, looks like that shingle ends right there. So we'll be working 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. That shingle's gonna end up in here. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, we'll move this tarp out the way and then we'll get started. We're still gonna, yeah, check, yeah, so confirmed. It is this shingle here. Yeah. Get right to it. These things are just gonna keep flying off. It's barely even adhered on there. Uh-oh. Yeah, pop right there. Yep, now this shingle definitely needs to be replaced. Looks like this one's already kind of creased. We missed that. You can still see the marks from when the inspector came out to take a look at everything. Okay, but we've got them adhered. Now, let's get into it. This isn't exactly the funnest roof to be doing repairs on either. Yeah, they're popping right through here. We're gonna run into the same thing all the way up. Right now we're still working on the shingle that is being replaced. You see that? I'm just trying to get the nails out. These things are like a saltine cracker. They just crumble. Okay. Looks like, yeah, there's no nail right there. There definitely should be. Missed that nail line terribly. When I do get this one out, we're going to go ahead and remove this one too because it needs to be replaced already. This should slide on out now. Look at that. That's fantastic. I'll probably fast forward the video here. We're removing this shingle here, which and get the handy dandy chalk. Now we're getting up into here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay. So same thing, unadhere from the top. I got a phone call. I had to put my phone on do not disturb because it'll interrupt it and this thing rings off the hook. But I was saying this, getting scared to walk on now because these granules are so loose. They kind of like form up right underneath your feet and it makes it like slick up here. How rusted these nails are too. See them trying to pop through. That should be it for this one. Okay, maybe one. Yeah. Check out the adjacent shingles. Yeah, this one's already creased, like we mentioned. Yeah, this one's creasing too, and all we've done is take them out very delicately too. That's the problem with these repairs. When they're super brittle like that, they'll your adjacent shingles, the nails will pop straight through. It starts crumbling, just like you saw earlier in the video. 1 second, I'm about to take this over here. I'm trying to save battery, but we're gonna line these shingles up, make sure that they're the same size, that it's feasible fit, and then I'm gonna grab an extra one from the truck since we had to do 2 here. Yeah, so they match in the size. Stand by. I'll be back with granules that have rolled down right here. Look at this felt too. That needs to be replaced. Having a hard time getting this one in. This one's already creased here. That's a damaged shingle. Felt.
It's too hot this week. It's too hot.
Yeah, it's very hot this week.
Almost the AC is working all the time.
Yeah, my light bill has been like over $500 in the summertime. It's crazy. It's way too much. Thank you.
Do you know if I want to do a construction here in America? I'm gonna do a lot of money. There's a lot of headache. I swear, if I wanna work here, they charge crazy price for something is let's say ridiculous.
Yeah. Would you do the this crease so bad? Would you? This nail back in. Getting up on it just enough to swing that hammer. Oh. That one doesn't like me.
How much you charging for this spot?
So with the okay, so this one is smoked. This one is smoked. You see how it's creasing right there when you pick up on it? Now when the wind blows, that's gone. Every single one of them creased. It's like a saltine cracker, man. It's just these shingles crumble. So I'm gonna tarp this area